My name is Intellij, and I'm about to show you how to make a letter counter in Python. So we're first going to make a variable called the underscore input, and this will just be input, and it'll say enter what you want me to count. And then we are going to make another variable. This will be an integer. Alright, we're going to call it how many letters, and so it'll just equals 0 for now. And then we're going to make a for loop, so for char in the input, and char just means character for short. And then we're going to write if char dot is alpha, and then how many letters plus equal 1. And if you don't understand this, I will go through it at the end of the video, so stay tuned. We are going to write print, then quotes, and then there are empty curly braces letters. Then we're going to write dot format how many letters, and then if we run this, it should say enter what you want to count, and then HELLO, and then random numbers and characters, and then it'll say there are 5 letters. And now I'll go through how this actually works. So the input, and then equals input, and then input is just basically you can write something and then the computer will take it, and then I'm going to use this input to count how many alphabets there are in it, how many letters. So then how many letters equals 0, and then we're going to add on to how many letters soon. So then for char in the input, we should basically go for input, it'll go through each separate thing, including spaces. Then write if char dot is alpha, which will check if char is a part of the alphabet. Then if it is, then how many letters, it'll add 1 to how many letters. So how many letters plus equals 1 is the same as writing how many letters equals how many letters plus 1. This is just the short way of writing it, so we're going to keep it like that. And then it'll keep on adding 1 to how many letters if it's a part of the alphabet, if char is a part of the alphabet. Then it'll write there are blank letters, and in the blank we're going to replace it with how many letters. So if it's 5 letters, then it would say 5, so then it'll say there are 5 letters, and that's how you make a letter counter in Python.